Alright, today we're going to talk about prisms and surface area. So I got a rectangular prism there. So the surface area of a rectangular prism, the easiest way I found to do this is to use this formula. 2 times length times width plus length times height plus height times width. So what you're doing here is taking each of those numbers and multiplying it by the other number, adding them together, and then multiplying it by 2. So our surface area would equal 2 times 5 times 8 plus 5 times 6 plus 8 times 6. So we can start working this out. So surface area equals 2 times 5 times 8 is 40 plus 5 times 6 is 30 plus 8 times 6 is 48. So we've got to add this up. So surface area equals 2 times 40 plus 30 is 70 plus 48. So my surface area equals 2 times 70 plus 48 would be 118. So I would do 2 times 118. My surface area would equal 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1, so that would be 3 and 2, so that would be 236 centimeters squared. Oh, wait, not squared. Yeah, squared, because it's area. Area is always squared, so it's 236 centimeters squared. Alright, so now we've got the surface area of a triangular prism. What you have in a triangular prism are 2 triangles that are identical or congruent, and then you have 3 rectangles. And the 3 rectangles are not always the same. In this is a scalene triangle, so that means 2 of the rectangles are going to be the same, 1 is going to be different. So the best way I found to do this is just find the area of each surface or each shape there that makes up the solid and then add them together. So to do the triangles, I have a base of 6 and a height of 4, so an area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. So my area of my triangles would be 1/2 6 times 4. So my area equals 1/2 of 6 is 3 times 4, which my area of my triangles would equal 12. So that's one triangle, and I have 2 of them, so my second triangle is also going to be 12 because they're congruent. So far I have 2 12s as my area. And then I look at my rectangles. So one rectangle, all of them are going to have the height of 7. So my area is always going to be length times width. And one of them is always going to be 7. And so I'm going to say that's my width. So my area is always going to equal something times 7. Well, the base there is 6, so the first area of my rectangle would be 6 times 7. So my area equals 6 times 7 is 42. And then my 2 other rectangles both have a length of 5. So area equals length times width, so area would equal 5 times 7. So my area would equal 35. Well, I have 2 of those, so my second one would also equal 35. So now I need to add all these up. So let's get a little room here. So I have my surface area now is going to equal 12 plus 12 plus 42 plus 35 plus 35. Well, 35 plus 35 is 70. 12 plus 12 is 24. So now I got 24 plus 42 plus 70. So 24 plus 42 would be 66, plus 70 would be 136. So get a little bit more room here. So my surface area would equal 136 centimeters squared. Alright, so now we have a cube. So the surface area of a cube is going to equal 6, because there's 6 sides of a cube, times your side squared. So that's just finding the area of a side. since I have 6 identical sides, we just multiply it by 6. So surface area equals 6 times 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16. So now I have 6 times 16. My surface area would equal 6 times 6 is 36. Get rid of the 3. So that would be 9. So that would be 96 centimeters squared.